hit. You on? Alright, this is a 2006 cadiLLac SRX. It's a caddy, and the amplifier in the vehicle is not working, so we didn't know that, so we proceeded to replace the factory radio with a aftermarket double din Kenwood, sorry, JVC, only to find out at the end that still no sound. So we have to find the amplifier location, find it, and somehow bypass the amplifier to make it work. And as you can see here, to access the amplifier requires us to remove the shroud. Remove the shroud, remove it from the side. And to access the amplifier, which is located in the bottom there. You can shine the light there, you can take a look at it in the bottom there. That's the amplifier. This is the amplifier there. So, but to access this amplifier, there's the hash motor that has to be moved out of the way. You have to be able to access the wires for the amplifier, which is on the top part there. So we have to proceed to remove that first. As soon as you remove that, then we can proceed to access the amplifier wherever it's located. What we need to do is bypass it, remove it completely, because the radio that we changed in the front has amplifier built into it. They say 50 watts by 4. We're going to try to use that instead of replacing the factory amplifier because it's very expensive. Factory amplifier is almost $700 from the dealer. But if we run wires to the back here from the deck that we installed in the front, we should be able to utilize the aftermarket amplifier to run the factory speakers anyways, so it should be alright. And that's what we're doing right now. Alright, take a pause. When I access it, I'll call you. Let me take it out now.
Yours.
Part 2. So anyway, continuing now with we were supposed to be taking the amplifier out. Taking all the bolts of the amplifier. Now we got to pull the amplifier out now. There you go. Okay. There's the amplifier there. And all the wires I need for the amplifiers are here. So this is the wires I'm actually looking for to use to do the job. This is the plug that came out of the amp. Are you getting this plug? Yeah. These two plugs, I have to operate on these two plugs. I have to dissect them, figure out what's what. Front, rear speakers, all run from this harness, you see. So we'll have to get into it to see what's what. So anyway, we'll have to bypass this amplifier. We're not going to put this amplifier back in. Take a look at the amplifier. Take a video of the amplifier. So it says audio amplifier. This is the factory amplifier, even though it looks like aftermarket. But there's something really defective about the amp. And this amplifier is over $700 at the dealer. So what we're going to do here is we're going to bypass it and use the amplifier that's in the radio. But that means that we'll have to run all the wires to the front to tie it into the radio. That's so much for that. All right, that's it. Thanks.